All right, I wanted to do special update for BBRY. You know, BBRY is a stock that I talked about or covered a long time back in 2013, 14, 15, 16. And, it never could confirm a lot of my plans and has since continuously gone lower. Um, I mean, look at this. If you were to take a look at this stock, I mean, what we are at 750 in December, and you've got a tight range of about $1 since December 2016 till now, right? So, you have a stock that you have a lot of selling action volume over here. This stock, what I want to talk about or help the investors in the BBRY, because I've told and warned many, many times that this stock was not a good long-term investment, and many um, so-called, I call them cheerleaders, clowns on the BBRY board would keep telling people that it's such a bullish company, it's such a bullish stock. And I would tell them the truth, and the people they would get upset. So I want to make this video to help the BlackBerry longs, and encourage them to study the things I'm saying and see for yourself. But the way I look at stocks, before I would even consider looking to get into this stock or even bothering to get into the stock, I just want to make some points to show you just how weak the stock is, okay? And really, if it were to do these things, I would come and say something. I would really support this company if I see the right action. I made money, trading some options in the stock many times, throughout the years. Not, it took years, but throughout the years there were some good trades. But anyways, let's get to the facts, the truth here. In this video, I want to explain some key numbers that must happen before the stock could be considered again a good investment instead of a deadbeat stock that has become. This is what this has become. I'm telling it how it is, people, right? So BBRY, step one, this needs to close a few weeks over 740. You heard that right. Multiple weeks over 740, and that would be a positive sign. Mark my words here, over 740 is something positive. Still, if we do that, the stock then needs to break over 850. And the way it does it, okay, and we need volume. I'm not going to be talking about the volume and I'll probably have to make more updates, but I want this video. Now, this video is March 16. I want to make a point here. The way the stock is going up, it's not good. The most it might do is try to hit 740. It's going to back down, and it could chop within a range of below 740 to as low as $6 for all we know. Okay. Again, if it can prove this is what I'm talking about, big picture. Okay. Stocks like I've seen stocks that are under certain key levels. Okay, because I look at a lot of time frames, and this stock, just to be considered a possibility to be good, would need to do this little thing. I mean, big deal. We're getting over 850. When this was at $10, when this was at $14 back in the day, people were calling it cheap. Then it got down to 7, 6, bounced up to 10. It looked great. People, it's gonna go. When it was at 12 and it was breaking out, it was breaking out improperly. They had false rumors and all these things, and it would crack down lower. How many times I called this company out? How many times I can't? It's just incredible. But anyways, again, I want to make this point as an educational videos for the people who want to understand something. So again, if you're a long-term investor, you've been suffering, not making money in BlackBerry and listening to the hype and the baloney. If for me to consider this even a good opportunity, like, why would I want to go along this company if it doesn't have potential to go to $20 a share right now? So you tell me that. Does it not make sense to wait for the proof and the power and the pressure? How else can you catch big gains? You're not going to catch it this way. This is guessing that this is going to go up in some hype and believing the company's going to. The proof is in the volume. You know what? The volume stinks. This volume here going up on 1.6 million. You got to be kidding me. Are you crazy to think that that's good, people? And you're listening to these clowns on the BlackBerry board. So I'm making this video to be helpful, people. And think about these numbers that I'm talking about, because I can play this video again and we're going to hear what I'm saying. I'm saying if we can't stay above 740, this stock could be range bound this year between below 740 and also test 640. Even if it gets above this level, the next part is to break 850, and if it doesn't, it could come crashing down and test 7. Again, let's say it was to come, let's say it was to get up, and if it doesn't do it the right way, it can come back to 7. And the end of the year, here we're in March. Where are we? We could be still stuck at 7 or lower. But if this confirms properly, why not? Why not be interested in a stock that can go to $20 a share? Right? Well, that's all. That could be possible if the stock would make the right action, right? And I would make the comments if I see that was possible. But right now, as it stands, this is a deadbeat stock to me. Deadbeat. Look, look. Has it made any gains since December? Ask yourself. Look, 750. Where is 750? What was it's a dollar range. Okay, and it's still lower from December. And then if you go back into 2016, you can see that it was much higher over here, right? Let's go to the charts here for a second, people. So here we are at the charts. Let's take a look at here. 2016, stock is at 833, right? In October, right? Are we higher or are we lower, right? Trust me, when this was doing this and breaking out, I was making comments about this, how it had to confirm, and it broke down and it failed over here too, right? You get the picture. I mean, look at this stock, failure after failure, and I talked about it back in 2016 and all these things. I warned about it over here, and it came crashing down. It finally had look at decent volume even back then, which was decent volume. What is that? 45. Where's the volume on this thing here? Yeah, 45.3 million. Right? I mean, look at this. Look at this low volume, people. This stock is getting too overbought. It has no power and pressure. It has resistance like crazy everywhere you want. Anyways, I've said it many times, and people keep. You got the people. Big deal that it's come up from over here. Big deal. Has it made any gains? If you're an investor and people have invested at $6, $7, $8 a share, I can assure you, people have this at 10, at 14. Well, what do they care that it's gone up from here to here? You were gonna go buy and assume this was gonna move up like this over here, right? The stock is still down. If you look from February over here, what is the stock? Is the stock up from this point to this point? No, it's down. So trust me, most people, and I mean most people, about 99% of the people, if they're trading the stock or have been investing in the stock, are underwater. Right, people? If you like what I said in this video, I make a lot of plans, making 100% gains in options. Do this all the time, 300% gains in options. I got great videos, people. I give good advice. Study my videos. Don't even take anything, but see for yourself, right? We look for confirmation. You make money with options. There's a lot of stocks that are moving. Why be stuck in a deadbeat stock like BlackBerry? I'm doing this as a service help. The BlackBerry board was a great board for me. Anyways, if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Blackboard people, see the Sandra Power Trick or Trade? It's going to appear over here in a circle format. Simply click on it and it'll make it very easy to subscribe. I advise you to come check out my website over here. Actually, let me show you, people. Let me show the longs 1 second. So I clicked on that link, people, and look at that nice video background. But you know what? Look at this. Check out this video. Google 300% gains in 3 days with options. Apple 200% gains in 4 days with options. Stocks like Cenex, okay, at the time 300% gains 7 days with options. The reversal of the market. I know what it takes for stocks to move. I call great plans. I like the BlackBerry board of the past, and I'm here to help. I tell the facts. I tell it how it is, people. I hope this video helped, and again, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades. Power Target Trades. You're gonna see the Sandra Power Trick or Trade over here. Check out my videos. Study what I'm saying, people. I'm here to help make money. You could change your future as well. With options, you don't need a lot of money either. A couple of $1,000, you can buy a lot of options. Buy a couple of options for a few $100s, make great gains. Instead of losing money, you can make fast money. But again, confirmation is key. You gotta know what you're doing. Study my videos. I'm here to help people. I hope the BlackBerry board found this helpful. Thanks for listening. Like the video.